Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use picture-in-picture on Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna open up settings. In these settings, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to apps, so third option from the top, and here we scroll down a little until we see special app access at the bottom. Now, as you guys can see, there's a lot of options, but what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to picture-in-picture. Here we can allow or disallow the picture-in-picture. As you guys can see, for YouTube, it is allowed. Now, as you guys can see, if you open up the YouTube, you should be able to easily just go over. Let me quickly get the lower volume, and I'll see you guys. Oh, never mind, I can skip this one. Okay, so as you guys can see, here in YouTube, you should also have it enabled. It won't be here, but you should have it in your settings. So you should see the settings, and you want to go over into the playback. Now here you have picture-in-picture, make sure that it's enabled. And as you guys can see, here we have the video. Now we can try and leave, and here is our picture-in-picture. So as you guys can see, it all works just fine, and that's how you guys can use picture-in-picture on your Blackshark Pad 7 Pro. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.